Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your Sarasota real estate agent and new construction specialist. Today I'm in Bradenton, Florida. Look behind me. These are brand new coach homes just next to IMG Academy. If you're looking to invest in a awesome rental property, or if you're looking for a single family style type home, brand new construction, concrete block all the way up for under $400,000, give me a call, shoot me a text right now. I'll put my number here. Let's go take a look at these models. You're gonna be blown away at how affordable and nice these are. Okay folks, today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Bay Creek, which is this bigger unit, the upstairs unit, 2,100 square feet, 3-car garage. The secondary bedrooms are slightly bigger, which is the biggest difference. There's also higher ceilings than the Arrowhead, which is behind me there. Coming in at $456,000, brand new construction, concrete block all the way up through the second floor. You cannot go wrong with these at this price. This is introductory pricing, so if you're looking to score an investment property, if you're looking to move in right next to IMG Academy, give me a call. I cannot emphasize how fast these are going to go. So to kind of hone in and give you your bearings, we are just down the street from this Medallion Homes build, Aqua, which I've done a few videos on. I'll post a link right here. We're right across from Legends Bay, as you see in your picture. Obviously there's Sarasota Bay on the other end and Longboat in the distance. And finally we pan into Legends Cove, which is this Lennar build with the coach homes. So if you're not familiar with coach homes, it's a pretty unique concept, kind of interesting in that there's 4 units per building, 2 downstairs units and 2 upstairs units. Here at Legends Cove, we're going to have a 1,741 square foot and a 2,100 square foot unit available for purchase. Here's the floor plans as we kind of fly over what the buildings look like. And just to clarify, the Bay Creek is the one at 2,100 square feet and the Arrowhead comes in at 1,741 square feet. So there you go, that is Legends Cove here in Bradenton, Florida, right down the street from IMG Academy. Also about 15 minutes to the beach, 15 minutes to SRQ Airport. Incredible introductory pricing right now, $399 for the smaller unit and $456 for the larger. Give me a call. This community will not last. There's only 56 units in total. Look at how well maintained things are coming along here. You're gonna love it. Again, come out, let's do a personal tour. Talk to you soon.